Welcome to the Tech School channel. Last time we looked at a Tronsmart Trip speaker which surprised us with its price and performance. But now we'll take a look at one of its family members, the big Tronsmart Bang bazooka with LED lights and powerful sound. Thanks to Tronsmart for the opportunity to try this speaker. Okay, let's do some magic again. Here's the whole package you get with the Tronsmart Bang Bluetooth speaker. Currently this outdoor speaker costs around $130. It comes with a colorful user manual, warranty card, USB Type-C charging cable, 3.5mm aux cable for devices that don't support wireless connection, and of course the speaker itself. Overall, this speaker is not small. It could be like two 2-liter Coca-Cola bottles and weighs around 3.3 kilograms. There is a handy integrated handle, although we prefer the strap because then your hands are free and you can hold lemonade and hot dog. Perfect combination would be a handle and a strap. All the inputs and outputs you need are hidden under the rubber cover. Micro SD slots you can listen to playlists without your phone, aux input for audio connection, USB-C charging input, USB out for charging other devices, and this little black hole, which hopefully you'll never use. The rubber cover firmly covers these ports, so no worries there. Bang speaker is equipped with NFC connection that supports one-touch pairing. We're old-fashioned though, and we will use the standard Bluetooth connection. It's as always easy. Turn on the speaker, find the Bluetooth connection on your phone, find the Tronsmart Bang and connect to it. Done! You're ready for summer parties. As you can see, this Tronsmart Bluetooth speaker looks very nice in the dark. But for total happiness, download the Tronsmart app, connect your speaker, and then in the app you can customize color modes, equalizers and more. As you can see, you can use 4 modes for the light effects. Solid on when it slowly changes automatically, vary with beats, off, or static in one of 7 colors. And now a quick sound demo of how the sound changes using all 8 equalizer modes.
I admit that I've lost my place. My memory's gone erased. Like a scratch only the scar remains. For we are better apart from all the pain. Distant like the stars are above. There's no love I cannot see.
And this is how they sound. There is no best equalizer preset. It depends on what kind of music you listen to. I don't know how this equalizer is up to date because nowadays phones can use completely custom equalizer presets. But if you play music from a memory card, then such thing can be useful. Now turn up the volume and listen to this Tronsmart Bang banging in the parties.
There will be a time.
That's our quick summary and first impressions of what this Tronsmart boombox can do. We are positively surprised, as the price is almost 2 times less than what the big manufacturers are asking for such features. The main advantages of the Tronsmart Bang over the big competitors are USB Type-C charging, as some of the big competitors charge their devices using 220V power adapter, which is not very convenient. Another big bonus is the micro SD card playback option, which many brands don't have. This is a mega extra when you want to party without using your phone. And of course the price is another mega bonus, because these speakers can be connected together up to 100 times. We actually would like to try this one day, at least 10 pieces to run at the same time. That's what a real summer party would be like. Thanks again to Tronsmart for the opportunity to introduce Tech Screw viewers to the Bang speaker. For you, my friend, I will ask you to leave a like and subscribe so we can meet in the next videos, where we will put the Tronsmart Bang in the ring against the JBL Extreme 2. See ya!